first of all, Kane and Pauly Jail have been doing business together for decades, and so we know each other very well. They have been able to come to us and say, you know, here's a better way to install, there's a better design, and we're an innovative company, a custom company, so we were receptive to them saying, let's make some changes, and it made improvements, lowered cost, increased security. So Pauly Jail's a great partner. We love being part of the team, and again, I like to stress that we know each other very well. We don't have to sit there and waste time and money and energy and resources trying to teach each other about each other, and that works great. This is about my 12th seminar that I've been in. Not all 50, but about 12 of them. I learned something new every time. There were some great things in there today, and I've known some of these people for a long time. TJ talked about accurate controls up there today. I didn't know they did that. So even though I've been numerous times, I learned something new every time, and it helps us. Kane Innovations, most people know us as Kane Screens. We've been Kane Screens since 1958. Our corporate name changed a few years ago. But Kane Screens invented a thing called a security screen back in the 50s. And that grew from mental institutions into prisons, into behavioral health. And then in the 70s, we invented a product where we use woven rod in a steel frame, and you can make doors and walls and mezzanine barriers and rec yards and things like that. It's low tech, low cost, very effective.
It's a great thing to be involved with. A lot of people come here to learn about all the technology and all the different products in the industry. So it's a great place to have everyone all in one location. Plus, they also get continuing education credits for the architects that come to this as well. So it's definitely great to be part of the Pauly Jail team. They've been in the industry so long, they know what they're doing, and it's great products and services, again, provided by one team that does this and only this. We're a security integrator, so we've got right here the door control system, touchscreen that has integrated cameras, video recording, intercoms, dress, guard tour, utility control, you name it. So we can integrate it into our system, and everything's non-proprietary. That was discussed today during the seminar. And we're the Indiana Department of Corrections preferred vendor. So we're in all the state facilities here in Indiana, as well as the Indiana Sheriff's Association's preferred vendor. So yeah, that's a little bit about SAS and our products.
Pauly has a great team. They think well on their feet, and the jobs that they do are known as very high quality work. So we're proud to be associated with them. I think probably one of the foremost things to be part of their organization, as we are a supplier, we know that once we supply product to them, we know it's going to be installed the way we want, done in a very professional manner. The justice market that we started in is one that we love with a passion. And as I talked about this morning, just introducing new products into this market, because one of the things that happens now, after we've been in business for 30 years, when people come by our trade show booth, they know us, for the most part they're customers, and they ask us, what are you doing that's new? So that gives us a great opportunity to show some of the design and product development ideas that we're bringing forward. And a couple of things that I wanted to show you here. We have this product called our Rock Smart, and we're seeing this award-winning design actually finding its way into correction facilities in the healthcare areas. As you may not know, jails and prisons are the largest provider of mental health services in the United States. Our corrections professionals are saddled with responsibilities of caring for mentally ill patients as inmates. So what we can do to try to help the environment, which is what they're trying to do, they're trying to take a hard, sterile environment and make it a little bit more home-like, trying to soften it up to better manage the mentally ill inmates that they have to protect. Other items that we have would be our Honda Nuevo product line, which is a product line that does go well into behavioral health care areas. We sell a lot of this into justice as well. It's built very durable with a thick skin vinyl. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick in many different options. Here again, security fasteners, all the type of security requirements are in this type of product. We also make mattresses. We have taken an item that people talk about mattresses in a facility as kind of a commodity type item. I buy mattresses all the time. Well, we understand that. And we have a standard range of mattresses, but we also have taken mattresses and built in some specialty products with them. This one, which is our marathon mattress, this is actually a molded mattress. It doesn't have any fabric, it's all molded, it's all fully seamed. You can take a pressure washer to this to clean it. Unusual, unique, only available through Norex. We're the only manufacturer of this in the world. Clear mattresses. There's a lot of vendors out there that will sell a clear mattress but have a foam core. So you don't actually see through the mattress. You only see through a clear vinyl covering. On this one, we have a scrim type cover, but also this type of inner core that has a lot of air cells in it. So essentially, an officer could take his flashlight or mag light and actually shine through it and see if anyone has hidden some contraband in there. So unique items that we have added in for mattresses. Another product that we're really proud of is we make children's furniture. And you would say to yourself, why would children's furniture be appropriate for a justice environment? Well, public areas where the public does come in to wait for visitation, to do other type of court work, where do the children go? Where do they sit? Well, a lot of times it has adult seating in there, so there really isn't an area for children. The rising population of women in facilities, which has been growing for years. Some of them have small children, some of them have babies. They have visitation, and where do the children go? Is there an area for kids to sit on furniture? So this is just another different type of a product that we've developed for the justice market that kind of fits an area that there really isn't any type of appropriate furniture. So when people come by our trade show booth, they know who Norex is, hopefully. They will come by and ask, what is new? And the questions you have just asked me here, new product, new enhanced product, enhancements to mattresses, kids' furniture. I have a lot to say about Norex product development, and we'll continue to add on more appropriate products for this market and other markets that we serve.